Hello, welcome to another video. In this video I am going to discuss about the automatic washing machine process. We have three different type of washing: colorful, intensive and quick wash. These three different type of washing have a different time interval for different process. Let's say the colorful washing have these four different steps to be performed during the washing, but has a different time for pre-rinse, main wash, final spin and washing done. Washing done is actually just nothing but an indication, but these three steps. Okay, and same way, if you want to perform the intensive washing, then pre-rinse, main wash and final spin have a different time interval, and the same way the quick wash have a different time spent for this one. The working principle is that when you start this system, let's say if I start the program, the indications shows that on this string the system is off and system is actually on standby mode. Okay, because the selector switch is on off position. As I move this selector switch to on position, you can see the system is on status, and here showing this system is still on the standby position, but it is now on. The power is on in the system. If I move to the let's say intensive washing, the user will select according to the requirement what type of washing he or she does need. Let's say if I select the intensive, after selecting intensive, I have to just press the start button. Now it's showing that it is start the 45 seconds for the pre-rinse, and the status of this washing is showing on the string indicator. Okay, after the time has elapsed, it will move to main wash. Actually that was the total timing. Okay, sorry for that, it was the 45 seconds was the total timing for the intensive washing. Now the some time for the main wash, and after that it will move to the final spin. Okay. And here also you can see the indication that what type of washing I have selected. It is the intensive. Okay. Now the final spin again working. Now it's work, and then washing done indication is will high for time, and the system move to again standby mode. Now if let's say if I want to do the colorful washing, if I start, you can see the indication here, colorful, pre-rinse time started. After some time it will move to main wash, then it will move to final wash, and the indication you will see here accordingly that what step the washing process is working, and the final indication will be the washing done for a 4 or 5 seconds. Then the system move to again standby mode for next washing. Now done, then stop, again system on the standby mode. If you want to do quick wash, again try this one, rinse, start. You can see here indication quick wash, here will be main wash, here will be main wash, then it will move to final, and then washing done, then the system will move to again standby mode. Now it is again on the standby mode. Okay, this was actually the working principle of automatic washing machine. Hope you liked the video. If you like, please don't forget to like and subscribe. In next video, take very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.